Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how to put color coding depending on the range of specific value in Excel. So in this table, the grade 90 to 99%, we're going to color it in green, then 80 to 89% will be in yellow, and if it is less than 80%, then it will be in red. So let's start. So first step is to highlight all of these cells. We're going to put color. Then after that, go to Home and click on Conditional Formatting. So in here, just click on New Rule. Then select Format Only Cell that contains. So in this cell value, we're going to select the first range, which is between 90 to 99%. So we're going to input 90% and in here, going to put 99%, then click on Format. Then under Fill tab, you just need to select color green. Then click on OK, then click on OK. So next one, we're going to do the coloring for 80 to 89%. So go again in Home, then Conditional Formatting, then this time click on Manage Rules. So we're going to create a new rule again, then click on Format Only Cell that contain, so cell value between 80 to 89%. So just input 80% and 89%. Then click on Format. Under Fill tab, you just need to click on yellow. Then click OK. Then OK again. Then the last rule will be below 80%. So click again on the new rule, select Format Only Cell that contains, then the cell value will be below 80%. So this one, instead of between, you're going to select less than 80%. Then click on Format, then select the red color, then click OK, OK again, then apply, and OK. So if you can see, we already colored all of the cells based on the colors that we have for each range.